Imagine your community saving millions, not through budget cuts, but by revolutionizing how it handles waste. This isn't just about recycling, it's about something completely different. Fortis Invicta has created the world's first integrated circular economy hub, and it's launching right now in Gambia. Picture this: agro-waste that used to cost money to dispose of now becomes fuel, food, soil enhancers, and building materials through 11 interconnected processing units. The result? Zero waste, maximum value, and millions in community savings. But here's what makes this revolutionary. It's not just environmental responsibility, it's economic transformation. 70% of the jobs go to women and young people, creating prosperity while solving the waste crisis. This is how communities turn their biggest expense into their greatest opportunity. Visit www.fortisinvicta.com to learn more.